Today, I will take you on a tour of the JTS Sports Golf Grip Factory. As a professional grip manufacturer, we provide diverse customization services to meet your unique demands. Mix raw rubber, carbon black, vulcanizing agent and color pigments evenly to make compound rubber. Knead the compound rubber by rolling machine to make smooth rubber sheets with fixed thickness. Cut the large rubber sheet into standard upper and lower grip pieces according to the mold size, then weigh the rubber pieces to ensure consistent weight. Put the rubber pieces and tube core into the hot pressing mold manually. Heat and pressurize the mold to melt rubber, shape texture and complete vulcanization. Take out the semi-finished grip and cool it to room temperature for solidification. Trim excess rubber burrs and polish the grip surface smoothly. Print brand logo, anti-slip lines and customized patterns on the grip. Check appearance, size, softness and texture to eliminate defective products. Clean and pack qualified grips for delivery. All processes are independently completed in our JTS Sports Factory. We support personalized customization for color, logo, texture and hardness.